Oh, hey there, YouTube. So this is going to be the first video on the new camera. Let's see how this goes. So, yeah. As you can see, we're out in the wrecker, and there's snow. So it's been about a week now since I've started the truck, and it's like 30-some degrees out here. Of course, it starts right up. Let's see if it'll stay running. Ugh. But yeah, new camera, new phone. Just a little bit of snow, huh? We actually had a few days off of no snow, but now we're getting hit by another severe storm warning, and I just got hit in the head by snow that came off the tree. Thanks, tree. But yeah, so I'll brush off the car here in a minute. Truck. Yes, I know, it's still messy in here. I hope this comes out. This is, new camera, like I said, so yeah. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Well, we will see you on the next one. Bye.